Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lee. Thought I'd start the video a little bit different today, a little bit of a behind the scenes look at the setup here. If you guys are curious about anything, the dioramas, the mats, let me know in the comments. But today we're going to be checking out these brand new 5-packs that I just picked up from the good old Wally World. Night burners. Thought this was pretty interesting. And then I picked up this HW Gaster 5-pack as well. The 3 in the middle are the ones I'm interested in. These were actually on sale. So typically they were 8 something, and they were on sale for 5 something. So $3 off. I wouldn't normally pick these up at the regular price, but for that price, let's check them out. Let's check them out. All right, let's get this little contraption here. There we go. Let's just level it up. I don't really like to do too much editing in these long form content ones for YouTube. I do a lot of editing for reels and stuff like that, but yeah, for these YouTube videos, I want to make it, as personal and not professional as possible. It's just me and the diecast and you watching. All right, guys, let's check these out. Let's open these up. So we got night burners and we got Hot Wheels Gasters. We got these two guys here. The night burners, I don't mind all the cars. I didn't get it for anything in particular. The Super looks cool. It's just a little bit small, but we'll have a look at that. And then this set here, I don't know. Maybe these two, the top and bottom will grow on me, but I got the middle ones. All right, let's check them out. We'll check out, you know what? We'll check out the Gasters first. Check out the Gasters first. All right, so these things you can actually open from, you're supposed to be opening them up from the top here. See how it's got these little things here. You're supposed to open it like this. I always thought you open it from the side, but apparently you open it from the top here like this. I don't know if you guys knew this. And then it slides out like that, Voila. Toss that out of the way. We'll do this and get rid of that. This is a beauty right here. This is this new NO. I just opened up on my IG. We'll just move it over here just because it has very little tow hooks that you could definitely rip off. Let me show you guys real quick, actually. Can you see that tow hook there? Right in the front and in the back. Has 2. Where's the one on the back? There it is. Right in the middle. So yeah, very little tow hooks that can definitely fall off. Let's bring some lights down to the situation here so we can check these out. We'll check out the 2, the ones that I'm probably going to give away to some kid at a show or something or whatever. The ones I'm not keeping. All right, so the first one up is this little, it looks like an old school, one of those old school trucks. And then now it's a trailer. The trailer part actually moves back. Does it move down? Yeah, moves down. Yeah, not bad. So you could put this hideous creature. What is it? Deep stage or keep stage? Or what is that? Deep stage? Deep stage, maybe? That's what it's called? Is that what it's called? Does it say the name on it? On the bottom of these things? I forget now. No, I don't think so. Oh, this is, yeah, straight pipes. Yeah, definitely straight pipe in here. Anyways, let's see if this works. It doesn't. I guess you could have it back a little bit. No, it really doesn't because it's too long. Anyways, this is cool. It has a little dice and 68 on the side there. I don't know. Whatever. Not really my cup of tea. We'll be getting rid of those guys. All right. First gas are up. Very nice. the mouse catcher. It has some cheese. The Hot Wheels mouse catcher. Cool livery though. I like it. Comet. This is the Mercury Comet. I'm not really into my Mercury Comet Cyclone. I'm not really into my American cars, so excuse me there, but you guys can have a look. It looks nice. All right, next one. Little wagon family hauler. This is a nice one, eh? Nice little family hauler. You know, obviously, you guys know I collect some more of the premium diecast, but I still love my Hot Wheels. I still love my dollar or so Hot Wheels. You know, like this is well, this worked out to be what, like $1 something. Let's say it was $6 for the 4, so it was a $1.50. $1.50 each. You can't do anything for $1.50 these days. You can still pick up one of these. What's this, high roller? Oh yeah, this is a nice one. And look at the tampos on the top. Definitely doing wheel swap on this guy. Get a nice set of Gaster rims. You know, where it's smaller in the front and big ass rim in the back. All right. That's definitely worth it. I definitely recommend it, especially if it's on sale. This stuff we're gonna give away, or whatever. To some kids. Kids be loving those weird things, you know. I don't know why, but well, I know why, because they're kids, obviously. All right, let's check out this Nightburner set. Again, this is the way you're actually supposed to open up these 5-packs, not from the side here. Just so you guys know, look how much easier it is to get it out. All right, let's. This one didn't. All right, we'll pick up that after. Let's line these guys up. This Ford Escort, this Nissan Drift Wagon, Toyota Supra, this Domast. I forget how to pronounce this. What's this car's name? But it's a pretty cool car with it's pretty cool for back in the day. All right, let's have a look. We'll start from the left and we'll go to the right here. All right, I'm pretty sure this has come out a couple times, even in premium. It's a nice. I'm assuming that it's made in '87, because that's why we got '87. LWC Racing. LWC Racing, eh? Woohoo! This looks like a nice one. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. I like that. All right, next up. This is I think this is the only one I got. No, maybe I got it. No, I think I got the other one where it had like the matching livery with some other car. I forget what other car it was. Well, maybe I'm just thinking about some other car completely, but it has the motor there, turbo. You can see the turbo. That's pretty cool. This is a pretty cool Nissan. Oh, it's a Nissan Maxima drift car. This must be like a really old school Nissan Maxima, because does this look like any kind of Nissan Maxima you guys recognize? I really hate the chrome interior. I don't know why they do. I know why they do that in regards to being cost efficient, but it's just annoying. Like, just have a black motor then, right? I don't know. All right. Toyota Supra. Yeah, this is nice. Sorry, just moving the light over here. Yeah, this is a nice clean one. Yeah, just a nice clean one, and it has the brown interior. I like that. You know, completely the opposite of this guy here. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. This is a good one to add to the collection. Kind of looks like it's small, but yeah, whatever. It's Hot Wheels. Okay. Yeah, this is nice. I'm not really a big fan of this big chrome thing in the front. It looks like there's already a little scratch mark in it, but you know, for $1.50, we'll do this. This has the motor in the back. Does this have the motor in the back? Is this the same car I'm thinking of, guys? I don't know. The one that the RLC released twice. Twice or 3 times? I know they had the last release was that lime green version. I don't have that one, but it's nice. All right, we're back to some normal cars that I recognize. I'm definitely a JDM person. This is a Subaru WRX. I believe this could be an STI. Let's see. Yeah, WRX STI. Yeah. What do you guys? You guys are into the pink cars? All right. So yeah, Hot Wheels 2-pack. Those are the latest ones at my local Walmart. There was another one that was cartoons. The Toon Cars. Sorry, not cartoon. The Toon Cars 5-pack. But the only one that was like the newer Toon Cars, because there's Hot Wheels made Toon Cars back in the day too that were kind of more silly looking. But yeah, the new Toon Car. There was only one of the new ones. It was a Silverado. It was right at the bottom. It was like a yellow Silverado. I thought about picking it up, but I really didn't want to spend because it was the only thing I wanted in that 5-pack. I didn't want to spend the $5 and change on one Toon Silverado. This is worth it though. You know, I got. At the end of the day, I probably not really a big fan of this Nissan. I won't lie. This is okay. This Ford Escort thing. This is all right. I'm all right with this. So really, for the $12 or whatever I got, I spent. You know, even if I say, hey, I got these 5 here, that's worth it to me. Cause yeah, I mean, obviously we'd be spending way more money than that anyways. But yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Just a quick episode. If you guys like the behind the scenes starts, you know, where, you know, it's just a little bit more casual, I guess, casual video. Let me know if you guys like those kind of videos, and I'll do those kind of videos. All right, guys. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. All that stuff helps me out. Peace.